Imagine this. You're standing in the middle of a busy open-plan office space. Phones are constantly ringing, the pinging noise of emails flooding in is also constant, and your team is drowning in a sea of conflicting priorities. Deadlines are looming, stakeholders are growing impatient, and the pressure to deliver results is mounting. You really can feel the chaos closing in. But what if I told you that this very chaos holds the key to unlocking unprecedented success in your business transformation journey? It's not uncommon these days for people in medium to large organizations finding themselves overwhelmed by the complexity and scale of their transformation initiatives. Projects derail, budgets spiral out of control, and teams struggle to deliver results. Without a structured approach, these challenges can lead to failed transformations, wasted resources, and diminished market competitiveness. This is where project management comes to the rescue, bringing order to chaos and ensuring your business transformation initiatives meet objectives on time and on budget. Today, we're going to explore 10 essential components of project management that can help transform your business transformation efforts. But first, very important, there's a free PDF that you can download which complements this video. It gives you more in-depth explanations of what I'm going to talk about, case studies, quizzes, and reflective questions, and you can download the PDF by clicking the link below this video or going to cxo.fm/PM. And then you'll have also joined my free PDF club. That means you'll automatically receive my free weekly lesson PDFs alongside all my news, course updates, and offers. It's a free service and you can unsubscribe at any time. So the first in our list of 10 topics we're going to explore is a very fundamental concept, and that is scope. Many projects fail because they lack clear boundaries, and that leads to scope creep and missed objectives. This often results in cost overruns and stakeholder dissatisfaction. Scope definition is crucial. It outlines what's included and excluded from your project. It provides a solid foundation for decision-making throughout the project lifecycle. To master scope management, make sure that you clearly define project objectives and deliverables. Identify and document project constraints and assumptions, and regularly review the scope to prevent uncontrolled changes. Up next is a tool that helps break down complex projects, and that is the Work Breakdown Structure, or WBS. The work breakdown structure is your project's roadmap, breaking it down into smaller, manageable components. It provides a comprehensive framework that organizes and defines the total scope of work. To effectively implement a WBS, start with high-level deliverables and break them down into smaller tasks. Ensure that each component is measurable and assignable, and then use the WBS to create a logical project schedule. Now let's turn our attention to a critical aspect of project success, which is stakeholders. Effective stakeholder management is crucial for project success. While most people nod in agreement to this, it's often neglected. Effective stakeholder management involves identifying, analyzing, and engaging with all parties affected by or interested in the project. To really excel in stakeholder management, identify all your stakeholders early in the project. Assess their influence, interest, and potential impact, and develop a communication plan tailored to each stakeholder group. Moving on to a key element in project planning is risk management. Proactive risk management helps identify potential issues before they occur, allowing you to develop mitigation strategies. It transforms uncertainties into manageable scenarios, enhancing your project's resilience and adaptability. So implement these best practices. First, conduct regular risk assessment throughout the project lifecycle. Prioritize risks based on their potential impact and likelihood, and develop and implement risk response strategies for your high priority risks. The next crucial component we'll examine is the schedule. A well-crafted schedule provides a roadmap for project execution, helping to coordinate tasks and resources effectively. It visualizes the project's timeline, dependencies, and milestones, enabling proactive management and stakeholder alignment. To create and maintain a robust project schedule, use your work breakdown structure to inform your schedule creation. Identify and manage dependencies between the tasks, build in buffers for unexpected delays, and regularly update and communicate schedule changes. Another vital aspect of project management is cost management. Effective cost management ensures that your projects stay within budget while delivering the expected value. It involves strategic financial planning, continuous monitoring, and agile decision-making to optimize resource allocation throughout the project lifecycle. To keep your project financially on track, develop a detailed budget based on the work breakdown structure. Implement a system for tracking and reporting costs. Regularly forecast costs right through to completion, and address any variances as soon as possible. Now let's focus on an often overlooked but crucial element, and that is quality management. Quality management ensures that your project meets or exceeds stakeholder expectations and delivers lasting value. It influences every aspect of the project, fostering excellence and driving continuous improvement throughout the entire project lifecycle. You can enhance your project's quality by defining quality standards and metrics early in the project, implementing quality assurance processes right throughout the project lifecycle, conducting regular quality control checks, and encouraging a culture of continuous improvement. The next key to project success we'll discuss is communication. A robust communication strategy ensures that all parties are aligned, informed, and engaged throughout the project. It creates transparency, builds trust, and facilitates timely decision-making, ultimately driving project momentum and success. Boost your project's communication effectiveness by developing a communication plan tailored to different stakeholder groups. Using a mix of communication channels, encouraging open and frequent communications within the team, and regularly seeking and providing feedback. Another critical factor in project management is resource management. Effective resource management ensures optimal use of personnel, equipment, and materials right throughout the project lifecycle. It balances availability with demand, maximizes productivity, and minimizes waste, which thereby enhances overall project efficiency and effectiveness. You can optimize your resource management by creating a detailed resource plan that's aligned with the project schedule, regularly monitoring resource utilization and addressing any imbalances, cross-training team members to increase flexibility, and using resource management tools to track and optimize allocation. Finally, let's explore an essential process for maintaining project integrity, and that is change control. A structured change control process ensures that all changes are evaluated, approved, and implemented in a controlled manner. It maintains project integrity, prevents scope creep, and facilitates adaptation to evolving stakeholder needs and external factors. Make sure these measures are implemented. First, establish a clear change control process and communicate it to all your stakeholders. Assess the impact of proposed changes on scope, schedule, and budget. Ensure proper documentation and approval of all changes, and regularly review and update project baselines to reflect any approved changes. Now, we've covered a lot of ground today, from defining project scope to managing changes. But remember, this is just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to effective project management in business transformation. Remember that chaotic office we imagined at the start of the video? Now picture it transformed. The phones still ring, but with purpose. Emails still flow, but efficiently and sorted by priority. Your team moves with confidence, each member clear on their role and objectives. Deadlines are met, stakeholders are impressed, and results exceed expectations. The chaos hasn't disappeared, it's been harnessed. Because through effective project management, you've turned disorder into a powerful engine driving your business transformation, proving that sometimes order emerges from chaos. To help you dive deeper into these topics, I've created a comprehensive PDF guide that expands on everything we've discussed in this video. You can download it for free in the description below this video, or by going to cxo.fm/PM. And I'll see you in another video.